recipe from our website. There you can also scale the recipe to the number of servings, or how hot you like it. The link to this recipe's web page is in the description below. For your convenience, captions are also available in other languages. This recipe is for 3 servings. If you have scaled the recipe, then please follow those quantities. Add half a cup of cooking oil to the Ninja Foodi pan. Set the Ninja Foodi to sauté mode. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds to the oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Stir fry for about 20 seconds. Add 4 curry leaves. Stir fry for another 20 seconds. Add 1 teaspoon each of ginger and garlic paste. Stir fry till the ginger and garlic paste starts to turn golden brown. Add 400 grams of diced boneless chicken. Stir fry till the chicken changes color and that the pinkness is gone. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add a teaspoon of coriander powder. Add a quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add the paste of 2 medium blended tomatoes. Stir to mix well. Fry, stirring occasionally, till the oil separates. Add 1½ cups of mashed dal, soaked for an hour. Add 1½ cup of water. Stir to spread evenly. Fix the pressure cooker lid. Please follow the manufacturer's guidelines. Set the pressure cooker mode to 3 minutes. Once the cycle is complete, wait for 4 minutes before releasing the steam. After 4 minutes of waiting, release the steam. Please ensure that you follow the manufacturer's guidelines. Once the pressure is released, open the pressure cooker lid. Please ensure that you follow the manufacturer's guidelines. Stir to mix well. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of dry mango powder. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of Indian spice mix. Stir to mix well. Sprinkle 1 finely chopped green chili. Sprinkle the fresh coriander leaves. Enjoy with chapati, naan bread or rice as you please.